Marion County has plans to reevaluate the mask mandate next week, but it all depends on the vaccination rate. Tonight, our Emily Longnecker went to a vaccine clinic to talk with people who just got their shot and see what they had to say to those who aren't sure yet about rolling up their sleeves.
With July right around the corner, the push is on to get as many Hoosiers as possible vaccinated. The Marion County Public Health Department says pop-up clinics where you can just walk right in and register on site are helping to get that number up. On Indy's west side, the COVID-19 vaccine came to the people.
So I just came straight up here.
Lenitha Smith was one of close to 100 who visited this pop-up vaccination clinic at Friendship Missionary Baptist Church Saturday, where they offered both the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines.
I was scared. You think about, what am I doing? What am I getting? But then, I thought, get back to some sense of normalcy to get your life back and things like that. You can't be scared to live.
Dr. Virginia Kane, the director of Marion County's Public Health Department, was on hand for part of the clinic to talk to people about how important these vaccines are in the fight against COVID-19. Dr. Kane hopes to have at least 50% of Marion County residents fully vaccinated by July 1st. Right now, the numbers are somewhere around close to 40%.
Actually, some people came in and got the shot after they spoke to her, and our nurses and our clinician staff are well versed, and so that makes people comfortable.
Some admitted they were afraid before walking into the clinic, but had a completely different outlook after their visit.
I had to hype myself up because I was skeptical at the beginning as far as trying to get the shot, but I do encourage everybody to get the shot to help protect Indiana Hoosiers.
The vaccine represents freedom and stability for Rosanna Green. She's an event bartender and was out of work all of 2020.
By me getting this shot, I know this is the first step forward into a lot of Hoosiers getting back into the workplace and getting back to normal.
For Lenitha Smith, there's no time to be scared. She's got too much she's ready to go and do.
Now it's like you're getting your life back together, you're getting normalcy coming back as a society. So this is more of a blessing than scaredness. I think everyone needs to come on board and just do what we can to, become whole again.
The health department hopes the more people like these women talk about their vaccine experiences, the more others will be willing to get theirs.
But there's nothing like someone that you know and you trust that tells you something, and then you go, oh, I'm going to go.
Marion County announced earlier this week that we are taking more steps to get back to normal. If the City County Council signs off on Monday night, face masks will no longer be required in Marion County as of Tuesday. Businesses and venues, however, can still keep a mask requirement in place if they want to. Community pools will be able to operate at 100% capacity, summer camps at 75%, so will zoos, entertainment venues, bars, and more. The hope is that all the restrictions will be lifted by July 4th, but it all depends on the vaccination rate.